Hello, this is Ashin Law Firm. Today I'll focus on what happens when you're being investigated by the police, using the Ulsan-Dongbu police station as a central example. The police investigation isn't just a one-time appearance. It's the point where the official record of your case is first created. What you say here directly influences the prosecutor's judgment and the entire structure of the trial that follows. Criminal cases require different approaches depending on the type. For theft, the key issues are possession and the intent to return. For sex crimes, it's about the consistency of your statement and objective evidence. Insurance fraud cases hinge on the flow of funds and whether there was collusion. If you go into an investigation unprepared, you'll end up giving fragmented answers to specific questions, and these answers can be recorded in a very definitive and often damaging way. You might find yourself speechless, thinking you explained everything clearly, only to see the official record reflect a completely different meaning. That's why, before any investigation, we calmly organize the facts, timeline, and evidence. A case that seems like it will end with the police can be sent to the prosecution, lead to an indictment, and then a trial. This can spiral into problems at work with professional licenses or even immigration procedures. That's why we don't look at the criminal aspect in isolation. We review it as part of a single flow that includes potential civil and administrative consequences. The cases might be separate, but their outcomes are all connected. In civil cases, the possibility of enforcement is often more important than the verdict itself. If you pursue debt collection or damages without a proper asset investigation, you'll likely hit a wall at the enforcement stage. It might seem hard to believe, but it's quite common to win a lawsuit and still not be able to recover anything. This is why we design our strategy with enforcement in mind right from the initial consultation. For real estate disputes or rental scams, we don't just look at the contract clauses. We examine the property registration, mortgage priorities, and occupancy status. With my background as a certified real estate agent, I've always reviewed the entire contract structure. Similarly, in family law cases, we don't react emotionally. We base our judgment on the long-term impact of property division and child-rearing structures. I began my practice in 2009 and opened this office in 2014. The reason we've operated without major disputes over case handling or fees is that we prioritize realistic explanations over exaggeration. I believe a consultation isn't about persuading you to hire me. It's about helping you accurately understand your situation and organize your options. We prepare for every case with the mindset that it could go to court tomorrow. The police investigation is the starting point. You have to build a solid foundation at this stage to prevent the entire process from collapsing later. Ashin Law Firm handles criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law with this comprehensive standard. If you need a consultation, please refer to the video description. Subscribing and liking this video helps us provide more detailed legal guidance. Thank you.